Today I'm going to demonstrate the outline stitch in embroidery, which is really useful for outlines, text, and other line work. So we'll start by bringing the needle up from behind at the end of this line and going down a stitch length away. But we're not going to pull it taut yet. We're going to leave this little loop up above the line and bring your needle up close to, but not through the same hole as where you first started. Now you can go ahead and pull that taut. We're going to go down again a stitch length away. Again, leaving the thread just loose to the top instead of pulling it taut. And this time we're going to come up for this stitch and all the ones after this, right through the hole that we had at the end of that first stitch. Go ahead and pull that taut. And we're going to go down again. I'm making these kind of bigger stitches for them to be clear on video, but often they would be smaller than this to be nice and tight. Come up again through the same stitch. And you can see how that is starting to make a consistent outline where you're not seeing any breaks in the line like you do with something like a back stitch. And we're always keeping the thread to the top so that the needle is coming up underneath or closer to me. And the thread is up or furthest away from me, above the line that we're working on. So again, come up for the past seam, and we'll do one more. Down a stitch length away, up at the end of the previous stitch, and pull it taut. And that's the outline stitch. Thanks for watching.